Hi everyone, today we bring you to weekly insights on exploring tools. Capricorn Technologies, a Win0 company having a legacy of over 3 decades, has now become a partner of choice for AEC industry. Capricorn Technologies is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley, along with authorized training center. Today, with over 10 offices across India and 300 plus inspired team members, Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customers in building, infrastructure, manufacturing, and large number of other industries. Myself, Dipali Arora, Solution Specialist in Structures at Capricorn Technologies, New Delhi, will present you with weekly insights on exploring tools. In this video, we will learn how to use some tools like move command, mirror command, transitional repeat command, how we will split the beam, and how we will merge the beam. So let's start with the first command, that is move command. So what I will do is, this is the structure on which I'll be doing my today's insight. So suppose I have to increase the height of this top floor. Presently, it is 3 meters in length. I want its length to be 4 meters. So what I will do is, first I will click on view option over here. I'll select the left hand side view. And now what I will do is, with the help of node cursor, I will simply select all the top nodes because I only have to move the top floor. That is why I'll only select the top floor, all the nodes. What I'll do is, now I'll right click on the mouse and I'll select move option. Or what I can do is, I'll click on geometry over here. And from here, I'll click on move nodes, and this box will open. So you can do it either way. Either you can click on right, click from the mouse and select move option, or you can go on geometry and select move node. So in Y direction, I'll write 1 meter because I have to increase the height in Y direction, and Y is or up direction in STAAD.Pro. So I'll just simply click on OK and I'll click on yes. Now I will change my view. I'll select isometric view and see. Now its length is 4 meter. That means the height of the top floor is increased. This is how you can use the move command. Not only this, if you want to say you want to move this column in the similar way, you'll select all the nodes of this column, or you will select all the column. I'll click move. Suppose I have to shift this column in X direction, say 2 meters. I'll click on OK and I'll click on yes. See, my column is moved. I don't want to move this column, so I'll just click on undo. So our first command was move command. Now moving on to the second, that is mirror command. What I will do is, I'll only select, suppose I'll select this floor for this command. I'll say move selected objects. So yeah, now we'll do mirror commands. We'll see how mirror command we can use. Suppose I have to mirror this whole floor. So I'll select this whole floor from geometry. This is the mirror command icon. I'll click on mirror. So these are the planes. YZ plane means it will mirror our structure in X direction. In XZ plane, it will mirror our structure in Y direction, that is up direction. And in XY, it will mirror our plane in Z direction. From here, you can see Z is this direction, X is this direction, and Y is up direction. Suppose I have to mirror this in X direction, and I'll say I'll write over here 5 meters. I'll copy this. I'll not move it. So I'll copy it. See, it has been mirrored in X direction. Now again, suppose I want to mirror this whole structure and I'll say in X direction, I want it in 25 meters and copy. See, mirror of this floor has been created. Suppose I want to mirror this, only this portion. I'll click on mirror over here, and I want this to be mirrored in Z direction. Suppose I'll say 5 meters, and I'll click on OK. It has been mirrored over there in 5 meters. So this was all about mirror command. I hope this was useful because it's very much needed in while designing a structure. Now I'll click on undo options. I don't want to mirror anything. I'll click on view. I'll select display whole structure. Now moving on to the next command, that is transitional repeat command. This is very, very, very useful command. So let's see what we can do from transitional repeat command. Okay. Suppose again I will select this only top floor for transitional repeat command. Okay. Now suppose I want to repeat this whole panel, this whole row in X direction. What I will do is I'll select the top view, and I will simply select all the beams. Actually, I don't want to, suppose I want to select this and all the beams. Just control and select all the things you want to repeat. Yeah, I have selected this columns. Sorry, I have selected all this panel. What I'll do is I'll click on geometry. This is transitional repeat command. Now a box will appear over here. So what I will do is, like I've said, I want to repeat this whole panel in X direction. What I can do is I'll click on global X, and this is a default spacing, means what spacing you want. Is it 5 meters or 6 meters column to beam distance basically. Suppose I want it in 3 meters. Okay. I'll say link step and I'll click on OK. Okay, actually this is, I guess, 5 meters and I've just selected 3 meters. That is why it has been overlapped. Again, we'll do is, I'll again show you how to do it. Click on view, click on top view, select this panel, control, control and control. Press. Now, geometry, click on transitional repeat. In X direction, say 6 meters, link steps. Okay, see, this is how we will use transitional repeat command. Also, what you can do is, suppose you just want this beam to be pasted in Z direction. Click on transitional repeat command. In Z direction, suppose you want 4 meters, link steps. Okay, see, whole new panel has been created. And suppose you want, first I will click on display whole structure. Suppose you want this whole floor, top floor, to be pasted one more time in Y direction, or you want one more floor to be created instead of creating nodes and then again adding beams. What you can do is, I've just select the left view. I'll select this whole top floor. I'll click on geometry, transitional repeat in Y direction. Suppose I want it in 5 meters, floor to floor height, and I just want one step. If you want to add 2 steps, then you can just simply say 2. Okay, and see, 2 more floors have been created. As you can see, this is how transitional repeat command is useful. Instead of creating floor again and again, you can simply select the whole floor and use the transitional repeat command, and in Y direction just write the floor to floor height and your floor will be created, and you can do the changes in that. Now moving on to the next command, that is split beam command. By the word split, You may understand split means dividing a beam or column into two parts or maybe more parts as per the requirement. Suppose I want to split this beam in two equal halves. What I will do is click on geometry, select the beam you want to split. Suppose I want to split this beam. So what I'll do is I'll click on insert node option over here. And as you can see, three things are given. Add new point. This means you will add distance over here as per your requirement, or add at midpoint. It will divide the beam in two equal halves, or add endpoints. If you want to add like more than 2 or 3 points or 3 parts, so you can select endpoints. I'll select add at midpoint. First, I will remove all these points and then I'll click on add midpoint. Okay. See, my beam has been divided into two equal parts. Now, what I have to do is I have divided this beam, but now I want to merge this beam. Merge means that I don't want to uh, split this beam into in two parts or maybe more parts. So I want to merge this beam. What I will do is just simply select this beam, and here you can see, sorry, I'll again select this beam, and here you can see this is a merge selected beams. Click on merge, merge. See, our beam is now has been merged and it's now a complete single beam. So this was, I hope these tools will be very helpful for you. I hope you guys had an insightful session. We shall be presenting with how to input values in STAAD as per clause 6.3.1, or how we can use this clause as per IS 1893-2016 in STAAD.Pro in our next insight. For more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technologies Private Limited, and like and comment if you like the insight. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestions, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Thank you for watching the video.